Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to share your screen on the Discord using the mobile application. So all you have to do is simply launch the Discord application on your device and sign into your account, and then choose the server that you'd like to share your screen for. So I'll just use this one. So sorry about that. Select that. And then from here, you have to join a voice channel. So simply join any voice channel that you'd like. So tap on that. And then from here, simply select join voice. And then once you join the voice channel, all you have to do is swipe up this menu to reveal all these settings. So just swipe it up, and then all you have to do is tap on the share your screen option. So simply tap on that, and then you'll be asked cast your screen. Do you want to cast a single app, or you can tap on this drop down and see all the two options. So you can either choose a single app or entire screen. So you can simply tap on entire screen, and then all you have to do is simply tap on start. Now once you scroll this down, you can see this option, you're sharing your screen. You can see share other apps for your friends to see. Now let's say for instance, if someone joins this particular stream, so let's say for instance, I have someone, so let me just join. So here it is. So if I join that stream, so join voice, let me just join, and then all you have to do is simply watch stream. So let's give it a few seconds. Now whatever I do on my stream, it will be visible on this side. So as you can see, whatever I'm doing on this stream, it's visible on this side. So that's basically it on how to share your screen on Discord using the mobile application. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.